Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Slides and creating a deck. Pick blank or a theme to save time. Once done, name the file at the top so autosave uses that label. Set page size via File Page Setup. Choose 16:9 for screens or enter custom dimensions for print. Make sure to enable offline access if you'll be without internet, and set initial sharing permissions so collaborators can view or edit immediately. You now construct slides. Start by editing the master to lock consistent fonts, colors, and placeholders so changes propagate. Then add content slide by slide. Use insert for images, charts, and shapes, or drag and drop to speed placement. Once items are placed, align and distribute with the Arrange menu, and use transitions sparingly for clarity. Also fill speaker notes as cues, and switch to grid or film strip view to check the logical flow before fine-tuning timings. You finish by timing and polishing. Rehearse with presenter view, set automatic slide durations if needed, and confirm animations run smoothly. Once ready, download backups as PDF or PPTX and enable link sharing for attendees. If something breaks, first check permissions and internet connectivity, clear browser cache, or sign out and back in to refresh service tokens. If an image won't load, re-upload it or use Insert Image from Drive to avoid broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.